Converting your released CAD data into different file types can be very useful when sending files to external users or for internal use as well. Maybe the shop floor needs a PDF of the drawing to manufacture the model, or contract engineers need to see a step file to view a model in a third-party CAD software. There are plenty of situations where your CAD data may need to be converted, and in some cases, this needs to happen in batch. We can open up these files inside of SOLIDWORKS and manually use the Save As command to save as a different file type, but this takes a long time to open each file and save them out one by one. And what if you don't have access to SOLIDWORKS? You're pretty much out of luck at that point and would need to delegate the work to somebody else. What if we could convert our files directly from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform? Let's find out how in this video. Using the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, I first have to ensure that the derived format converter is configured to convert to the appropriate file types and choose which users are allowed to utilize this functionality. Navigating to the Platform Management dashboard, I will go to the Content tab and scroll down to the Collaborative Spaces Configuration Center. This can also be found in the Platform Manager role by accessing the Collaborative Spaces Control Center, which opens both the Control Center and Configuration Center. Scrolling down in the Configuration Center, you will see the Derived Format Management section. This is where you can create a conversion rule saying what file type you're converting from and what file type you're converting to, apply additional settings, and choose who has permissions to use this rule. You can then press OK and Apply in the bottom right corner. After creating the rule, it's a good idea to navigate to the Configuration Deployment section of the Collaborative Spaces Configuration Center and reload the cache, as well as update the index model to ensure that everything is up to date. It doesn't hurt to refresh the browser as well. Once everything is done on the admin side of things, we can then utilize the derived format converter rule that we've created by navigating to the drawing that we are looking for, either by opening it in SOLIDWORKS or by navigating to the file via the bookmark editor. Once we've located the drawings, we can go to the Information tab where we will find the derived format converter. We'll use this to generate a PDF based off of our drawing. In just a few clicks, we can choose which rules we want to apply, and it will automatically convert our drawing to a PDF. This conversion rule can be triggered during the approval process as well. So if you had a drawing package with several drawings in it, when approving the top level, all drawings will be converted to PDF. Using this derived format converter, we can now automatically generate PDFs in bulk, either from SOLIDWORKS or from the web browser in just a few clicks. If you like this video, please be sure to check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.